Sir Marcelito Carmelito Junela. Sir, morning. Ang ato ang Ozamis City Police Station head by Police Major Dennis Tano. And sa tanang mga kauban nato diri karon no mga empleyado sa City Hall, once again mayong buntag sa tuang tanan. I'm sure kadaghanan sa inyoha, if dili tanan, excited na kaayo para sa ato ang mga umaabot nga activities karong Hulyo. Tinuod dili? As you can see, makita ninyo na ipipila ka tarps and daghan na tag mga promotional postings no para sa ato ang mga fiesta activities. No, we will start karong Sabado sa ato ang pinakauna nga, I think it's a regional wide taekwondo tournament, no, which will be we're expecting delegates from the different LGUs from Region 10 from Northern Mindanao, no. But this weekend we will also be having our first dry goods thrift shop dito sa 50th district, no, while ongoing ang ato ang night market, no, and cafes dito sa Wellness Park this July. They will be operating for the entire week sa ato ang Fiesta Week. So sugod karong July 6, I believe, dire-diretso na sila July 5 rather until July 16, no. And in between padayon ang ato ang mga activities, no. Sa July 8 we will be having our now traditional kasalan sa fiesta, which we will be wedding an additional, as of now, 180 couples, no. Sa July 9 and 10, if I'm not mistaken, we will be having our second Governor Henry S. Waminal Chess Tournament, which is a tournament that is national in scope, and we will be graced once again by ang Asia's first, no, dili lang Philippines first, but Asia's first Grandmaster, no, si Grandmaster Eugene Torre, no. That will run from July 9 to 10, no. On July 13, we will be having July 14, we will be having our first Ascenso Ozamis Half Marathon, no, which has generated a lot of interest from running groups, dili lang diri sa Mindanao, but also in the country, no. And igo-igo, while na sila diri, they will also have the chance kaning mga bisita nato nga runners to enjoy ang ato ang a sector of our provincial Perangat Festival, ang ato ang Perangat Ozamis Festival, wherein the winner will be representing the city sa ato ang provincial competition karong umaabot nga November. And on the same day sa 14 also, we will have ang ato ang Miss Ascenso Ozamis, no, which part of the activity we will be holding today, no. And on July 15 and 16, we will be having back-to-back free concerts with nationally renowned bands visiting us, and we will be expecting, of course, not just Ozamis Nons to join us then, but also ang ato ang friends and mga bisita from other localities, no. So those are just a few of the activities that we have lined up sa ako alang mahinumduman karon, no. And as you will realize, kaning mga activities nato, it will really bring a lot of guests and visitors diri sa ato ang syudad. So I invite everyone also nga kung kani ato ang mga bisita maka-enjoy kamo nga mga pamilya pud yun nato diri sa local government of Ozamis, you take part in the festivities, you join, you watch the presentations. So we will also be having two competitions, inter-school competitions, sa sa July 8 and 9, no. First oratorial competition and inter-school singing competition, no. Daghag makita, daghag masuruyan, muna nag-expect ang daghag mga bisita. And while I call on all members of the LGU family to take part and enjoy also the activities and festivities that we will have karong fiesta, no, I also want to remind everyone and to point out to everyone no nga the success of our activities no will not rest solely on the hands of ang atoang tourism office or ang committees handling them. No, dili lang nato ipaubaya tanan kang Ma'am Nessie or kang Sir Jaime and the respective heads of the programs that we will be having. No, because as we mentioned, daghan tag mga bisita ani. They will be seeing Ozamis City for what it is now and how much it has changed. So it's a very good opportunity to show them nga tinuod nag-asenso na gyud ug gapadayon og asenso ang atoang syudad. And for our programs to be really successful, it's quite important also for our guests and visitors to appreciate the city and to enjoy the time that they will be having here. And for that to be possible, we need all members of the LGU family and all Ozamis Nons, rather, to show our guests and visitors no the hospitality no and the courteousness no that we Ozamis Nons can give to them. No, kay bisan pa man mag-enjoy sila sa mga programs and events nato, no, it will only take one bad experience sa ilaha nga murag matarayan lang sila usa ka Ozamis non samot na ko ang magtaray-taray sa ilaha empleyado sa LGU no to ruin their entire visit. No, so we want our guests to have a good time as much as we want all members of the LGU family to have a good time. No, so let us strive to give it to them. Let us strive to give the best experience that we can give to all those who will wish to enjoy and partake sa tuang fiesta activities. And igo-igo pud kaayo no karong adlaw pag-andam na pud sa tuang fiesta celebration no we will be introducing ang atuang candidates for the Miss Asenso Ozamis competition no and kani mga beauty pageant no they are a source of inspiration. No, so may we be inspired by the candidates today. No, nga bisan pa magdili ta mga beauty queen, bisag dili ta pareha kataas or kagwapa sa ilaha, no, kaya gihapon nato no mo welcome and mo inspire sa tanan nga mga kabisita, tanan nga mo partake sa atoang mga fiesta activities. No, so let's also give a big round of applause to everyone who made ang atoang activity today possible. Ang atoang organizers sa different events and also the candidates that we will be welcoming now because you know beauty takes a lot of effort. No kabalo ko kani sila kapilanan ni sila ga practice. They already went through different levels of screening sa ilahang barangay and citywide and paguman sa screening no naapagyud sila dungag pagyud nga practice. So let us appreciate all the effort that they have put into, and I'm sure no we will really enjoy no not just the program today but all the activities that we have been lined up. So once again, mayong buntag sa tanan, and may we have a fruitful week, may we have a fruitful fiesta month ahead. Thank you and good morning once again to all.